This is for Algebra 1, and these are the notes for more practice with polynomials. Just a quick reminder that when you are multiplying polynomials, you're going to distribute. And when you distribute, you multiply the coefficients, which are the big numbers at the front, and you add the exponents. Then you're going to combine like terms. The two in the middle should be like terms. So just a few examples, just kind of get it back on your mind. X plus 5 times x minus 2, you're going to distribute the x, and then you're going to distribute the 5. So x times x is x squared. X times negative 2 is minus 2x. 5 times x is plus 5x. And 5 times negative 2 is minus 10. The two in the middle should combine, so you bring down your x squared. Negative 2 plus 5 is 3. It's a positive, so you're going to say plus 3x. Bring down your minus 10, and that is your answer. It works the same if it's a letter other than x. You're going to take the n and distribute it, and then you're going to take the negative 4 and distribute it. N times n gives you n squared. N times 4 is plus 4n because it was positive. Negative 4 times n is minus 4n, and negative 4 times 4 is minus 16. The two in the middle should combine, so bring down your n squared. 4 minus 4 is 0. They cancel each other out. Bring down your minus 16, and that is your answer. Looking at number 3, you're going to distribute your a, and then you're going to distribute a negative 5. A times a is a squared. A times negative 5 is minus 5a. Negative 5 times a is minus 5a. And negative 5 times negative 5 is plus 25. The two in the middle should combine. Now look carefully because you expect them to cancel like they did on the last one. Bring down your a squared. Negative 5 minus 5. You probably want to use the calculator when you start dealing with negative signs. Negative 5 minus 5 is actually negative 10. So minus 10a, bring down your plus 25. So let's look at it and figure out when is it going to cancel and when is it not. On number 2, it was n minus 4 and n plus 4. They were the same, but the signs were opposite. Those are called conjugates. And when you have conjugates, the middle two are going to cancel. Number 3 was a minus 5 times a minus 5. They were exactly the same. Therefore, they're not going to cancel. They're going to combine. Number 4 is x plus 6 quantity squared. That's just an extra parenthesis. Ignore it. And so when you have something squared, that means that you're multiplying it by itself. So you're going to write it twice, x plus 6 and x plus 6. Then you distribute your x and you distribute your 6. X times x is x squared. X times 6 is plus 6x. 6 times x is plus 6x. And 6 times 6 is plus 36. Two in the middle will combine. X squared plus 12x plus 36 is your answer. Okay, so that was just a quick reminder so you remember what's happening. You need to finish your worksheet from yesterday if you haven't already done so, and then you have a worksheet for today as well. Call me over if you have any questions.